In this tutorial, I'll show you how to check voice history of ElevenLabs. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find your past generated audio in ElevenLabs, how to review it, and how to download any file as MP3 or WAV. First, log in at ElevenLabs.io. On the sign-in page, enter your account details and proceed to your dashboard. Once you're in, we'll go straight to the tool that holds your history. Next, go to Text-to-Speech in the sidebar. Click Text-to-Speech to open the main generation panel. This is where you normally type text and generate audio, and it's also where ElevenLabs stores your generation history for quick access. On the right side of the Text-to-Speech panel, click the History tab. Move your cursor to the History tab and select it. The panel switches to show your stored generations. You should now see a list of your past audio entries associated with this feature. On narrow screens, tap the History icon above the Generate button. If you're on a phone or your browser window is small, the full tab label may be condensed to an icon. Look just above the Generate button, tap the History icon, and the same list of previous generations appears. Browse your past generated audio entries. Scroll through the list to review what you've created before. Each entry represents one generation, typically showing details like the time it was created and the voice or prompt you used. Move up and down the list to locate the exact item you need. Take a moment to confirm the entry matches what you're looking for, especially if you've generated multiple versions. Scrolling here does not change or delete anything, so you can review your history confidently. Click the download icon to save any audio file as MP3/WAV. When you find the entry you want, hover over it and select the download icon. Your browser will prompt you to save the file. Choose MP3 or WAV based on your needs. If you require additional options, advanced formats are also available. Saving a file only creates a copy on your device. It does not remove the item from your history or affect your settings. If you have multiple items to keep, repeat the same click and save action for each entry you need. At this point, you've opened the ElevenLabs text-to-speech panel, accessed the History tab, reviewed your past generated audio, and downloaded the files you want as MP3 or WAV. Your ElevenLabs voice history is now located, accessible, and ready for download. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.